solitary lion crosses one of Africa's most beautiful national parks. The Ngorongoro crater of Tanzania shelters some of the most spectacular natural wonders on Earth. Over 2.5 million years ago, a great volcanic cone erupted. When the dust finally settled, all that remained was a giant bowl 12 miles across, surrounded by a rim rising 2,000 feet above the crater floor. During the wet season, abundant rainwater flows down the walls of the crater to form Lake Makat, where flamingos return to feed by the thousands. The water absorbed in the crater during the wet season provides an ample supply of grass, which for most of the year supports a population of up to 25,000 large animals, including herds of wildebeest, water buffalo, elephant, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, and eland. Of grazing animals provides the staple food for carnivores of the crater: jackal, hyenas, cheetah, and lions. But of all the animals that are found here, it is the lion that dominates. About 80 lions live in family groups, or prides, of 8 or more, spread evenly across the crater. From records kept over the past 20 to 30 years, it is known that the number of lions in the crater has remained about the same. The gestation period of the female lion is about 110 days. There is no special birth season, and cubs can be born throughout the year. Like most cats, lions usually sleep or rest during the day for up to 21 hours. They will even rest between periods of feasting on a kill. Some will climb into trees to sleep, draped over the branches, to avoid insects that swarm over them on the ground. Others, gorged with meat from a kill, will roll from side to side, seeking a comfortable position for the large meal bulging in their stomachs.